I'm sure you all are familiar with the vast opportunities in NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens. This is solidified with the most recent sale by Beeple reaching 69 million US dollars. Hi everyone, I'm Roy, and today I'll be talking about Rarible, ticker symbol RARI. I will go over the following in this video: an overview of Rarible, how you can create your own NFT, the Rarible Team, Tokenomics, and also possible concerns. Moving on to the overview of Rarible. So where does Rarible fit in this space? Rarible provides a marketplace where users can buy and sell NFTs, as well as allowing users the ability to mint their own NFTs without the need for coding skills. Rarible aims to be the first fully decentralized and community-owned open marketplace for NFTs. Created NFTs can be listed for sale, but that isn't a requirement. Users are free to keep the NFTs they create or gift them to others. They can even list the NFTs on the OpenSea platform. The NFTs include artwork, photography, in-game items, metaverses, music, crypto domains, and maybe even DeFi. In order to use Rarible, users must connect Ethereum-compatible wallets such as the following. So how can you create your own NFT? Firstly, go to rarible.com and connect your Ethereum-compatible wallet. Click the blue Create button at the top right of the page. Then select minting of a single NFT or an NFT with multiple editions. Upload your image, video, or music file. Specify a price, name, description, royalties, and any other relevant info. For the royalties, you can set it up to 20%, so whenever the NFTs get resold, you get 20% of that sold price if it is sold on the Rarible platform. Then click Create Item. Your wallet will then ask you to sign and pay for gas fees. Since they're using an Ethereum platform, the gas fees may be very high at certain occasions, so remember to select the right moments to mint your NFTs. Let's go over the team. There isn't much information on the website about their team. However, Alexander is listed as the head of product for Rarible, which includes the whole spectrum of product-related activities. Prior to the creation of Rarible, Alexander was connected with several other crypto projects and startups, including Human IQ. The other founder, Alexei, has very little information available other than that he attended the University of Southern California and that prior to co-founding Rarible, he was the co-founder of Sticker.place, which is a marketplace for iOS 10 sticker packs. There's a total of 24 employees listed on LinkedIn, with the majority holding positions in marketing and outreach aspects. The RARI token is the very first governance token released in the NFT ecosystem. As announced by the Rarible team, and I quote, "Welcome to RARI, the governance token of Rarible. RARI enables the most active creators and collectors on Rarible to vote for any platform upgrades and participate in curation and moderation." The token was created with a total supply of 25 million and is being distributed as follows. Firstly, 10% of the tokens were airdropped in July 2020, out of which 2% were allocated to Rarible users and 8% were allocated to all NFT holders, thereby giving future governance rights to early adopters to NFTs, which should be favorable as they will be more experienced in this space. Next, 60% of the tokens are allocated to the marketplace liquidity mining. Each week, 75,000 tokens are released to buyers and sellers. Lastly, 30% of the tokens are allocated to the early investors and the team. So how can you get RARI? The tokens cannot be purchased from the Rarible marketplace, although they can be purchased on a number of exchanges, including Poloniex, SushiSwap, and also the 1inch exchange. You can also acquire the token through its marketplace liquidity mining. This is the process used to distribute the 60% of the total supply that wasn't allocated to the team and investors or airdropped. Half of the tokens go to the marketplace buyers and the other half goes to the marketplace sellers. This marketplace liquidity mining serves to encourage activity on the Rarible marketplace, since the more you buy or sell, the greater your weekly distribution of RARI tokens. About the utility of the tokens, RARI confers the following uses in the Rarible marketplace. Firstly, governance. This is the primary function of the token. It is the governance token of the ecosystem, allowing the creators and collectors on Rarible to vote on system updates and other variables of the ecosystem. This includes the trading fees, new features to be developed or implemented by their team, the use of the token to further decentralize the governance and development of Rarible, and also curating artworks whereby the token holders are able to vote on pieces they believe should be featured in the marketplace. So where's the value in this token? Although this token does not confer equity like a share of a company, You can compare this to obtaining super voting shares rather than single vote shares. Thus, individuals that have large amounts of voting shares will be able to shape and have a say in the company in the future. And in this case, the future of the NFT space as the voting power will retain when Rarible becomes decentralized. Lastly, concerns. So, there is no official roadmap for Rarible, which presents the project in quite a vague manner. Secondly, there is no white paper and most information about the project is on their Medium blog. Lastly, the platform has a loophole where users can abuse the system through wash trading. Wash trading is a process whereby a trader buys and sells a security for the express purpose of feeding misleading information in the market. In some situations, wash traders are executed by a trader and a broker who are colluding with each other. And other times, wash trades are executed by investors acting as both the buyer and seller of the security. Users can have multiple accounts and purchase arts from themselves to acquire tokens. Now, if this type of manipulation becomes too widespread, it will devalue the entire project. Lastly, due to the way it is distributed, the inflation of the token is quite high, which disincentivizes people to hold their coins. In conclusion, NFTs still have a lot of room to grow and are just starting to gain traction. Since Rarible is still small and has the goal of becoming fully decentralized one day, I do believe it will grow in the future. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.